Hi there! Ikaw ba yung tipo ng lalaki na madaling mapagod? Walang kagana-gana? Hindi tumatagal sa laban? O kadalasan, nanlalambot? Well, may solusyon dyan! King Tut Dietary Supplement for Men. Always on top! King Tut Dietary Supplement helps in boosting your sexual appetite, attaining erection, long-lasting performance, and aids in fast recovery. Ito ay may pangunahing sangkap tulad ng combination of 3 types of maca roots, such as yellow, black, and red maca, which are found in Andes Mountains of Peru, and clavo huasca na kilalang gamit na may potent aphrodisiac qualities as Peruvian tradition. These finest ingredients help the body in the following, tulad ng increases libido, increases sperm count and motility for men, improves sexual stamina and endurance, improves memory and brain function, might help reduce enlargement of the prostate, improves erectile dysfunction, improves mental function and hormonal imbalance, boosts immune system at marami pang iba. Sa isang capsule lang sa isang araw, ramdam mo ang pangmatagalang laban. King Tut Dietary Supplement for Men. Huwag nang magpahuli. Pag mahal mo, i-King Tut mo. Try it now.